Good morning, my dear students. In this video, we discuss previous AMCET questions. In the before video, weightage we discussed that. So, in 1A, that means first year A paper, nearly 9 to 10 questions in final AMCET exam. So, here, now we discuss the questions from 1A. Okay, look here. So, first question, that is functions. If f mapping from A to B and g mapping from B to C are two functions such that g circle of mapping from A to C is a bisective, then which of the following is always true? So we have a condition. G circle f is 1 1 implies f is 1 1. G circle f is onto implies G is onto. But here G circle f is bisective. G circle f is bisective. That means f is 1 1 and G is onto. Let us observe the options. Which option is true? F is 1 1, G is onto. That is in second option. 1 1 means injective, onto means surjective. So, second option is the right answer. Okay. Now, discuss the second question. That is, f mapping from R to R such that f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y. It is the functional equation for all xy belongs to R. F of 1 equal to 7 and sigma r equal to 1 to n. F of r equal to 1 4 1 1 2. Okay. Here, f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y. That means f of x is kx. F of x is kx. But f of 1 is 7. So, f of x is k equal to 7. F of x equal to 7x. 7x. So, sigma f of r, that is sigma 7r equal to that. R varies from 1 to n. Implies 7 into r plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 4 1 1 2. Now cancel 7 in this 2 times 0 1 6 times. That means r into r plus 1 equal to 4032. Now let us observe the options. Here the options are given. First one wrong because 9 into 10. The product of consecutive terms is 4032. First one wrong. 9 into 10 is 90. Second also wrong. Third one 63 into 64. That's right answer. Because next one is 62 into 63. Last digit is unit space is 6. So third option is the right answer. Definitely it can be equal to 63 into 64. So n equal to it is n into n plus 1. N equal to 63. Next question. 2 into 4 power 2n plus 1 plus 3 power 3n plus 1 is divisible by k. K greater than 1. For all n belongs to n, then the value of k is actually here given n belongs to n. N belongs to n. But we take n as 0. Actually, don't take n equal to 0, but we take that n equal to 0. What happened? We substitute n equal to 0, that become 2 into 4 8 plus 3 11 divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. You have doubt. What is that? N not equal to 0. N belongs to n. N starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us take n equal to 1. That is divisible by 11 or not? You check that. Definitely that is divisible by 11. If you have more doubt, go through n equal to 2. Don't necessary. You stop that. Don't waste the unnecessary. Don't waste the time. You have to utilize that time in another problem. Okay? Now, so the option is option 3. Answer 11. Next. A equal to k by 2. 0, 0, 0, L by 3, 0, 0, 0, M by 4, and A inverse equal to 1 by 2, 0, 0, 0, 1 by 3, 0, 0, 0, 1 by 4, then K plus L plus M. My dear students, we have a formula, that is, for example, A 0, 0, 0 B 0, 0, 0 C, that's inverse is 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. In the orthogonal matrix, A, B, C are there, inverse 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. That's only. So here, inverse is given. Inverse matrix absorb diagonal 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So, the given matrix A, diagonal matrix is 2, 3, 4. So, equating K by 2 to 2, K by 2 equal to 2. So, K equal to 4. K by 2, L by 3 equal to 3, L equal to 9. Next, M by 4 equal to 4, M equal to 16. Sum is 29. L plus K plus L plus M, that is 29. Very simple problem. Here, the formula is A00, A00, 0B0, 00C. Its inverse, this type of matrix inverse is 1 by A, 0, 0, 0, 1 by B, 0, 0, 0, 1 by C. We are using this formula. So here, this is given, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 is given. That means, here the matrix is 2, 3, 4. So, K by 2 equal to 2, L by 3 equal to 3, M by 4 equal to 4. Equating that, simple. If you know this formula, directly you can use the formula. Okay, next. Next question. A is a square matrix of order 3. Then, consider the following statements. If det A equal to 0, then adjoint A equal to 0. First statement, that is the first statement. Adjoint A determinant is 0. Here, is it true or not? We have a formula, that is that adjoint A equal to det A to the power n minus 1, but here given n as 3, so det A square. But det A is 0, so that is 0. So if det A equal to 0, then that adjoint A is 0. First statement is true. Next, second statement, that A not equal to 0, that A inverse equal to that A whole inverse. That is true. That is true. Directly, that A inverse is same as that A whole inverse. So both are true. First statement and second statement both are true. Here option is first option. First option is the right answer. Next. A not equal to minus 1, B not equal to minus 1, C not equal to minus 1, and the system of equations x equal to A into y plus z, y equal to B into z plus x, z equal to C into x plus y, then has a non-trivial solution. Then the non-homogeneous equation Ax equal to 0 has a non-trivial solution, then det A must be equal to 0. Det A means coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix must be equal to 0. Coefficient matrix, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient. First row, second row, third row. The determinant is 0. Look here. Here, actually, the question is very lengthy, but we can easily solve that. Look here. 1 minus 1, x take that side, minus 1, A. Next, B minus 1, B. C minus 1, the determinant is 0. Expand this. If you expand this, minus 1 into, what happens? General expansion, 1 minus BC, minus A into, minus B minus BC, plus A into BC plus 1 equal to 0. If you expand this, implies minus 1 plus BC plus AB plus ABC plus ABC plus AC equal to 0. That means 2ABC plus AB plus BC plus CA equal to 1. Here, this equation has infinite solutions. This equation has infinite solutions, but we take one solution. We take one solution. How to identify, how to take the solution? Let us take C equal to 0. C equal to 0. What happened? AB equal to 1. AB equal to 1 has also infinite solutions. Let us take one solution. A equal to 2, B equal to 1 by 2. A equal to 2, B equal to 1 by 2. A equal to 2, B equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now here A 2, B 1 by 2. C 0. This is one of the solution. This is one of the solution. Which option satisfy this? You check that. Now we are going to the verification of the options one by one. Let us check that. First option wrong because C0, A positive, B positive, but here that is equal to 0. That is wrong. Second, C0. Okay, third term leave it. A by A plus 1, that is A is 2, 2 by 3. Second option 2 by 3 plus B 1 by 2, 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus 1, that become 3 by 2, that is B is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 by 3 by 2, that become 1 by 3, that equal to 1. Maybe second option correct. Now third option C0, 0 equal to 1, that is wrong. Third option 0 equal to 1, that is wrong, that is wrong. Fourth option, let us check that, not equal to 3. So second option is the right answer. So by verification, okay. Now you have doubt. What is that? That is why you are taking C equal to 0. Actually, we get one relation between A, B, C. From that relation, we can convert according to the options, but that takes much time. Don't go that way. Let us find out one solution to satisfy that equation. That solution must satisfy the given option. So in that way, we can easily decide the answer. Okay. In triangle ABC, it is a vectors question. If D and E are the midpoints of the sides, BC, ABC is a triangle. D and E are the midpoints of BC and CA respectively. Then 2 into AD plus EF, very simple. AD bar plus EF bar, very simple. Let us check A bar, B bar, C bar are the position vectors of the points A, B, C, O A bar, O B bar, O C bar. You know very well. A bar, B bar, C bar. Let us substitute that. B equal to B bar plus C bar by 2. E equal to C bar plus A bar by 2. You have to substitute here. OD bar minus O A bar, that means 2 into OD bar, that is B bar plus C bar by 2 minus O A bar plus EF bar, OF bar, E B bar. Look here, the question is EB bar, that is OB bar, that is B bar, minus OE bar. OE bar is C bar plus A bar by 2. Simplify this. That equal to B bar plus C bar minus 2A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar plus A bar. Clearly C bar cancel here, as well as B bar plus 2B bar, 3B bar minus 3A bar minus 2A bar minus A bar, 3 taking common, B bar minus A bar, OB bar minus OA bar, that is nothing but AB bar. Simple question. It belongs to the addition of vectors. So nearly addition of vectors, we can easily solve that question. N bar equal to 2I bar minus 3J bar plus 4K bar. M bar equal to I bar minus J bar. L bar equal to 2I bar minus J bar plus K bar. Then the Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the two planes R bar dot N bar equal to 1 and R bar dot M bar equal to minus 4. and perpendicular to the plane r bar dot l bar equal to, take this point my dear students, r bar dot l bar equal to minus 8. That means l bar is 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Look here, you have to verify one by one, first option, second option, like that. That is, this is perpendicular to the planes. Two planes are perpendicular. That means their normals also perpendicular. The angle between the normals is nothing but the angle between the planes. So verify that. So which option perpendicular to this vector 2 minus 1? First you take 5 minus 20, first option. 5 minus 20 minus 12. 5 minus 20 plus 20 minus 12 minus 12 not equal to 0. It is wrong. Simple. By mind calculation we can decide that. Second option. Second option, normal dr is 1 minus 2 minus 12. 1 minus 2 minus 12. That means 1 minus 2, that is plus 2, minus 12 not equal to 0, wrong. Not perpendicular, that indicates. Third one, 5 minus 20 minus 12. 5, 10, minus 20 plus 20. Next, minus 12, that become minus 12. Wrong. Fourth option is right answer. Without verification, you can decide that if first, second, third do not satisfy that condition, definitely fourth option is correct. You can check that. Now, 5 minus 2 minus 12, 10 plus 2 minus 12, clearly that is equal to 0. So, fourth option is the correct answer. Next question. In triangle ABC, if A alpha, B beta, C gamma are the vertices of the triangle, then the length of the perpendicular from A to BC, A to BC, look here, A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma, position vectors. Perpendicular D, area of the triangle is half into base into height, BC base height AD. AD, you know the formula from properties of triangles P1 equal to delta by A, that is half into base is here base beta gamma, that means gamma minus alpha, gamma bar minus beta bar into AD. We have to find that AD, but delta is AD equal to 2 delta by gamma bar minus beta bar modulus here. Here delta is half mod alpha bar plus beta bar, alpha bar cross beta bar plus beta bar cross alpha gamma bar plus gamma bar plus gamma bar cross alpha bar. That means here 2 is there, so that become 2 to cancel, modulus of alpha bar cross beta bar plus beta bar cross gamma bar plus gamma bar cross alpha bar. Check the option, that is gamma bar minus beta bar. That's it. Can easily identify the option by calculating like this. Next question. It is matching. List 1, 4 questions are there. List 2, 5 options are there. You have to match. So in that, this type of questions need not solve 4 in list 1. Sometimes if you solve one, answer can be easily decided by observing the options. Now we go through that. First A, you know very well, B bar cross C bar cross C bar cross A bar cross B bar, box is box A bar B bar C bar whole square. So A join 1. Observe that A join 1. In the options A join 1, which one is correct? First option wrong. Second option wrong. Third, fourth maybe. Because third also that and fourth also that. Next. B, don't solve because our answer is either 3 or 4. But B option, both contains 4, B join 4. So don't solve. Why not? Why observe that? Now C observe. C box A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus A bar box. That is nothing but 2 box A bar, B bar, C bar. That is the standard result. 2 into box A bar, B bar, C bar. That is second. So C join 2. So which option is correct? C join 2. Third option is wrong and fourth option is correct. So this type of questions need not solve all the questions in list 1. Be careful with this. We have to utilize that time to another problem. Next question. A bar, B bar, C bar are vectors equal magnitude. Mod A bar equal mod B bar equal mod C bar. We don't know. Magnitude is not given. Such that A bar, B bar, angle between A bar and B bar is alpha, beta is B bar, C bar angle, gamma is C bar, A bar. Then the minimum value of, let us take A bar, B bar, C bar, lie on the plane. Who tell me plane, the angle between them. Total angle is 360, 120, 120, 120. So if you take alpha equal beta equal gamma equal 120, cos 120 is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2 is the answer. That is the minimum value. You check that. Minus 3 by 2. That is the minimum value. That is possible. Actually, among the options, minimum value is minus 3 by 2. Is it possible minus 3 by 2 for any values of alpha, beta, gamma? Let us check that. We can easily identify that alpha, beta, gamma equal to 120. Right? Next question. ABC are the 3 unit vectors such that no 2 of them are collinear. 3 unit vectors mod A bar equal mod B bar equal mod C bar equal to 1. Any 2 are not collinear. If C bar, somewhere wrong, my dear students, you remember this. If C bar comma, we'll remove this C bar comma. Actual question is B bar equal to, that's only, B bar equal to 2 into A bar cross B bar cross C bar. Okay, the casual bracket. This is the casual bracket. Vector triple product problem. The angle between A bar and C bar is, alpha is the angle between A bar and C bar, beta is angle between A bar and B bar. Now here 2 into vector triple product A bar dot C bar, first A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. Now compare both sides. A bar dot C bar, that is A bar dot C bar is 2, the angle between A bar and C bar is alpha, A bar C bar is unit vectors, so 2 cos alpha B bar minus A bar dot B bar, that is sin beta, 2 cos beta into C bar. Compare both sides, this side B bar, so 2 cos alpha equal to 1, cos alpha equal to 1 by 2, cos alpha 1 by 2, so alpha is, what is the angle? Alpha equal to 60 degree. Alpha is 60. Next, alpha is 60 degree. 2 cos beta is 0. Beta equal to 2 cos beta 0 by comparison. No C bar there. Beta equal to 90 degree. Now here cos alpha plus beta equal to cos 90 plus 60. Cos 90 plus 60 is minus sin 60. Minus sin 60 is minus root 3 by 2. Answer is minus root 3 by 2. That is the right answer. So some steps you can calculate in mind. Then you can easily understand that minus root 3 by 2 is the right answer. My dear students, this is 1 year questions. These are the previous MCET questions, the latest questions.